Hey guys, Devin Nielsen here with McLaren Philadelphia. Today I'm going to be showing you some basic functions of your McLaren 720S Spider. In the 720S Spider, you don't have a typical shifter as in most cars. Instead, you have buttons for drive, neutral, and reverse. So to get into any one of these stages, just press down the buttons and you will be in the desired gear. For cars as low as a 720, you're going to want a front lift. Thankfully, McLaren has fitted the 720 with a very helpful lift that can be operated on the stalk below the wiper stalk. There's a button on the outside, you push in on it, and the lift will go up within seconds. To drop the window behind your head, you will find a toggle switch with a window icon right in front of the cup holder. Pull on that and the window will drop down. When the top is up, you can drop it for an amplified engine sound in the cabin, and when the top is down, you can drop it for more airflow. To operate the top, you will find a toggle switch right next to the one for the rear window. It will have a car icon on it. Push backwards to retract the top and push forward to bring the top back up. You won't find a park button in the central cluster. You can find it to the left of the steering wheel next to the light dial. To engage it, put your foot on the brake and pull up, and you'll know that the parking brake is engaged when a parking light pops up right below your central screen. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit that like button and subscribe, and in the comments, let us know what you want to see for future videos. I'm Devin Nielsen with McLaren Philadelphia, and I'll see you next time.